Labs KiCad tutorial part 3. In this video, we will learn a few concepts and tools that will become useful when creating schematics with KiCad. First, let's take a look at the concept of nets. What is a net? As you may already know, all component symbols do have one or more terminals. As you can see here, this resistor has two terminals and the LED has two terminals as well. When two terminals are connected together with a wire, there will be an electrical connection between those 2 points. This electrical connection is called a net. Net is nothing but a connection that goes between two or more terminals in a schematic sheet. Here we have 3 nets. One net that connects the power supply to the resistor. The second net connects the resistor to the LED, and the third net connects the LED to the ground symbol. The most popular way of creating a net is by using wires. KiCad do have a wire tool with which you can connect two terminals. That is one of the easiest ways to create a new net. Another important concept we need to understand is that every net has a name. Even though the name is not visible in the schematic, each net has a unique name. We can change the name of a net by placing a net name or net label. So to place a net name, click on the Place Net Name icon on the toolbar on the right. Click on the wire where you want to assign a name. And in the Label Properties window, type down the name of the net that you want to use. Here in this case, I'm going to use the name net1. I prefer to use all caps when typing net names. You can change the orientation and style and size of the label. I would leave it as defaults right now and click OK to place the net name. So why is it so important to name a wire or name a net? Suppose these two components, the resistor and the LED, they are sitting much far apart in the schematic, and the schematic is complex enough that you cannot run a wire from the resistor to the LED. In that case, what you could do is create nets on both sides and give them the same name. In this case, I'm going to call them both net1. Now, even though these two terminals, the resistor's terminal here and the terminal of LED, they are not physically connected using a wire, they are electrically connected internally because of these net names. So in a circuit, in a simple schematic, all nets that has the same name are connected together, even if there is no wire running between them. The next topic I want to talk about here is junctions. Suppose we have two wires that are crossing each other. For example, I have one wire here going horizontally and the other wire going vertically. As you can see here, these wires do cross, but they are not connected together. They are not electrically connected. In some cases, you may want to connect these wires together. How do we do that? That is where we use the junction tool. To place a junction, go to the toolbar on the right and select the junction tool and left click to place a junction. Now these two wires are connected together electrically. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to Numato Labs channel. The subscribe button is right below this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.